What's up guys, it's me or Jimmy, a geek. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now, here's my Huawei Note 10. I literally love my phone. I mean, this is a 6.95-inch phone, but I wanna compare the screen size. Let me, open some Nubia Z11 wallpaper. As you can see. Okay, here's my Nubia Z11 phone. Okay, let me find something like similar which I can open. Okay, can we find something similar? Okay, let me open something like maybe something cooler, something edgier. Maybe this one, right? Okay, let me open this image and search on the Nubia Z11. The same image can we find? Okay, here come the image. Okay, I'm just looking what's like behind. I just want to show you the size of the phone. Okay, maybe here we go. I could not find that image. I wanna find the same image to demonstrate the size to you. Okay, maybe this one, yeah. I got the image. This is a 16:9 phone, 5.5 inch, and this is a 18:9, 6.5 inch. But let me make the image a little bit lower, right? Okay, no. Okay, let me make it simple. And then now I'm gonna bring a 5.7 17:9 phone to show you that one also. Yeah, as you can see here, I really love the 6.95 inch. It's one of the most beautiful phone, to be honest with you, ever I have used. I literally love this phone so much. I could not tell you how much I love this phone. This phone is really very much amazing, to be honest with you. There's no reason, you should buy another phone, to be honest with you, when there's so beautiful phone. Literally, yes, when there's so beautiful phone, why you should even think to buy another phone? I really do not understand. I mean, the good thing about the Huawei Note 10 is that this size is not that big as a lot of people wanna think that this size is one of the best size on a smartphone which you can get. I literally love this phone a lot. This is a 5.5 inch. The phone is really very beautiful, to be honest with you. The phone is literally very beautiful. I have never seen a beautiful phone like this in my entire life. I don't know what to say, but the phone is so beautiful. And then here come my essential phone PH1. As you can see, this size. This is a size comparison. It was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and buy 5.7 inch, 5.5 inch, 6.95 inch. Subscribe. Bye.